Okay, let's talk about Taiwan's solar market. It was booming, but now it's hit a serious roadblock.
So what happens when a renewable energy gold rush just stops? That's the big question here.
Check this out. A 36% drop in new solar installations year over year. The party is definitely over.
That drop was so big, it forced them to push back their ambitious 2025 energy goal. So why?
It really comes down to what's happening on the ground. Think land issues, local pushback, and fewer incentives.
So we're talking about real-world problems here. Permitting delays and environmental disputes.
Since just building more isn't an option anymore, the industry had to pivot. A whole new strategy.
So the new game plan isn't about building fast. Now it's all about cost, safety, and compliance. And this huge pivot? Well, it's created a brand new competitive battleground in the market.
And it boils down to a classic fight. Are you going for top performance, or are you chasing the lowest price?
Local companies are leaning hard into quality, getting certified for things like wind resistance to prove they're reliable.
But here's the thing. A lot of the imported modules just don't have that same local certification.
But then you see the price tag. Local modules are about 60% more expensive. That is a huge difference.
And that price gap, it has a massive impact. We're talking 800 megawatts of imported modules. So if your number one goal is just saving money up front, well, imported modules look pretty attractive.
This really shows the critical trade-off the market is facing. It's a true crossroads moment for everyone.
Do you go with the premium local option for reliability, or the go-to import to slash upfront costs?
Looking ahead, this new reality means future growth is probably going to be much more measured and conservative.
So to win now, it's not just about scale. It's about being smart with your strategy, cost, and compliance.
The rules have fundamentally changed, leaving us with a final thought on this new era for Taiwan's solar industry.